Hi students, welcome to political science class. Before starting lesson, I am asking some questions from previous class. Who was appointed as the first female president of India? Pratibha Patil. Who was appointed as the first female prime minister of India? Indira Gandhi. What are the measures taken to improve the conditions of women in India? Government of India has started Child and Women Development Department to improve the education and status of women. Government of Karnataka has started Stri Shakti program. Women reservation have been provided at local bodies. Women reservation have been provided at national and state legislative bodies. Women reservation have been provided at government recruitments. Women commissions have been established at national and state levels. These are all the measures taken to improve the conditions of women in India. Let's today's class we may learn another major problem of our country, that is terrorism. So what is terrorism? Terrorism is an act which aims to create fear among the common people by illegal means. It includes person or group spreading violence, rapes, kidnapping, fighting, bombing, etc. Okay, terrorism is an act which aims to create fear among common people by illegal means. Okay, what is terrorism? Terrorism is an act which aims to create fear among the common people. Okay, what is the main aim of terrorism? To create fear among the common people by illegal means. Illegal means it is against the law. Illegal means. Okay, by illegal method. Okay, creating fear among the common people. This act is called terrorism. So what does terrorism includes? Terrorism includes person or group spreading violence, rapes, kidnapping, fighting, bombing, etc. Okay, what does terrorism includes? Terrorism includes person or group spreading violence. Here, violence spread by person or a group of people. Okay, next it includes rapes, rape of people. It includes kidnapping of innocent people. It includes fighting. Next, it includes bombing on other places or other countries. These are all included in a terrorism. Clear this? Okay, next terrorism can be called extremism. What is this extremism? Extremism means a strong opposite view towards a law. Okay, strong opposite view towards law. Okay, here terrorism, it opposes law strongly. Okay, and it working or attacking against the law. Okay, next terrorism put pressure on the government. Okay, it put pressure on the government. Okay, how does terrorism put pressure on the government? Because it creates person or group spreading violence. Okay, it creates rape of people, it creates kidnapping of innocent people, fighting, then it includes bombing on other places or other countries. In this way it put more pressure on the government. Okay, the main responsibility of government is to protecting the welfare of the people. Terrorism based on political ideologies. For example, party A and party B. Here a party A thinks my party is great and showing disrespect to party B. Okay, party A thinks my party is great and fully neglecting party B. As a result of this enmity, then jealous, next selfishness, all these developed between both parties. Finally, it gave chance to one type of terrorism activity. Clear this? Next, this terrorism based on religious beliefs. Religious beliefs. Okay. You know, India we can get to see three important religions. Okay, Hinduism, Christianity and Islam. A, B, C. Okay, so here A religion thinks my religion is superior than remaining two religions. Okay, religion A thinks my religion is greater than other two religion. Okay, in that moment what happened? Here misunderstanding developed between these three religions. As a result of these same problems like enmity, then jealous, selfishness. Okay, all these developed between these three religions. Okay, finally it gave chance to destruction of places of worship. Okay, it gave chance to attack on places of worship. Okay, all these gave chance to attack on mutual attack on places of worship. Okay, attacking on temples, churches, mosques, etc. Okay, why? Due to this type of religious beliefs. There is here a opinion of ABC. Okay, fully different. Okay, they were thinking differently. They never showing respect each other. There is lack of unity. That lack of unity is there. As a result, here all these activities give chance to terrorism. Okay, next terrorism. It creates. It causes political ideologies, then religious beliefs, all these cause loss of individual or communities. Okay, as a result of this, it cause more loss to individual or group of people. Okay, totally it affects on the whole nation. Clear this? Okay, next one more thing, terrorism. It creates a psychological pain, or it gives some mental pain to people. It develops fear among the people, so it creates a psychological pain. Not only this, it influences cultural aspects also. Okay, cultural aspects. Okay, in India we can get to see diversity. We can get to see different religions, languages, races, beliefs, customs, traditions, etc. But this activity it affect on cultural aspects of our country also. Okay, now we will learn what is the broad meaning of terrorism. Okay, terrorism is nothing but fulfilling its narrow end by creating panic and violence. Clear this? Okay, this is the definition of terrorism. Okay, what is terrorism? You must write this answer. Terrorism is nothing but fulfilling its narrow end. Okay, fulfilling its shorthand. How? By creating panic. Panic means fear. By creating fear and violence among the people. Okay, this is terrorism. Clear this? Terrorism is nothing but fulfilling its narrow end. How does terrorist fulfilling their narrow end? By creating panic and violence among the people. Panic means fear among the people. Okay, so totally terrorism it feeds fear of the people. Okay, it feeds or it develops fear among. There are various types of terrorism is there, but I am explaining only three types of terrorism. Okay, first one political terrorism. Here political terrorism which creates more fear among the people. Okay, political terrorism creates more fear among the people. Okay, second one criminal terrorism. Here criminal terrorism deals in kidnapping of innocent people to get money. Okay, it includes kidnapping of innocent people to get money. So here political terrorism is more dangerous than criminal terrorism because here political terrorism it done by well trained people. Okay, well trained group of people engaged in this type of terrorist activities. Okay, political terrorism is more dangerous than criminal terrorist. Why? Because here political terrorism it done by well trained group of people, so it is very dangerous than criminal terrorism. Then one more terrorism, that is regional terrorism. Here regional terrorism is more violent than among all these three terrorism. Okay, why? Because here in this type of terrorism, here terrorist think dying as terrorist is holy or sacred, so they are willing to do anything. Okay, here regional terrorism is more violent, more violent than these two terrorism, than other two. Okay, why it is too violent terrorism or too dangerous terrorism? Because here terrorist think dying as terrorist is holy. Okay, dying as terrorist is sacred or holy. if we lost our life as a terrorist, that become sacred, that is good work, that is the opinion of these regional terrorists. Okay, so these terrorists are ready to do anything. Okay, they are willing to do anything, okay, to achieve their goal. Okay, especially they are engaged in suicide bombing. Okay, do you know about suicide bombing? Tying bomb in their body, later blasting along with the place, along with the other people, they also ending their life. Okay, so here dying as terrorist is a sacred work. Okay, that is the opinion of these regional terrorists. So among all these three terrorism, this regional terrorism is more violent terrorism. Okay, so all these terrorists are made for different purposes. Clear this? Nowadays, terrorism is an international problem. Terrorism is like virus in the global world because terrorism creates violence in the countries of the world and it brings war between the countries of the world. Not only this, terrorism blast bombs and send suicide attacks at important public places. As a result of this, innumerable innocent people, including men and women and children, killed due to these terrorist attacks. As a result of this, government had to spend lot of energy to improve the situation, okay, or to recover the situation. Okay, in this way, from the terrorism, okay, nowadays whole world had to face lot of problems. Clear? Examples for terrorist attacks at international level. Okay, first one, World Trading Center in USA. World Trading Center in USA. Second one, bomb attacks on Bali in Indonesia. Next, third one, bombing on cities like France, Britain and some other places. These are all terrorist activities at international level. Okay, first one, bombing on World Trading Center in USA. Okay, next, bomb attacks on Bali in Indonesia. Okay, next, bombing on cities like France, Britain and some other places. Okay. These are all the examples for terrorist attack at international level. Clear this? Okay, now we may learn what are the main causes of terrorism. Okay, what are the main causes for terrorism? First one, production of huge quantities of machine guns, atomic bombs, production of nuclear explosives. Okay, then huge population growth, social, economic and political problems of the country. Okay, then a lack of education. Okay, these are all various reasons for terrorism. Okay, first one, production of huge quantities of machine guns. Okay, next, atomic bombs. Nuclear weapons. Next, population growth. Social, economic and political problems. Lack of education. Economic inequality. These are all the various reasons or causes of terrorism. Okay. Production of huge quantity of machine guns, atomic bombs, nuclear weapons. Okay, all these inspiring terrorist activities. Okay. Next, increasing population growth. Then social, economic and political problems, lack of education, economic inequality. These are all other important causes of terrorism. Now we may learn examples of terrorist attack on India. One country support terrorism in another country. India is one of the countries of the world has been the main target of terrorism from many years. Okay, so terrorism was common in some states of our country. Okay, it includes Nagaland, Manipur, Punjab and Kashmir. Okay, in these places terrorist attacks were common. Once upon a time, terrorist attacks were limited to only Jammu and Kashmir, but nowadays it is common in these states also: Nagaland, Manipur, Punjab and Kashmir. Okay, then you already know terrorist attacked on Taj Hotel in Mumbai on November 26, 2007. Okay, terrorist attacked on Taj Hotel in Mumbai on November 26, 2007. It caused a lot of loss to life and property of the people. Okay, so you can observe this instant. Okay, blasting bomb on Taj Hotel in Mumbai. You can observe this instant through YouTube. Why? Because at that point of time you are very young, so you can't get to see at that moment. So now you can see this instant through video clip. Okay, not only this, and at present Parliament House is the main target of terrorism. Okay, Parliament House. Okay, this is the main target of terrorism. Okay, then terrorist target some other big cities of our country also. Okay, it includes Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, then Bodh Gaya. Okay, these are the other places of terrorist targets. Okay, Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore and Bodh Gaya. Okay, these cities developed very well. Okay, so these are the main targets of terrorist. Okay, clear this? Okay, in this way our neighboring countries like Pakistan and China supporting terrorism in India. Okay, one country supporting terrorism in another country. Okay, so Pakistan and China supporting terrorism in India. But India is a peace-loving country. Okay, so it always try to develop international peace, but our neighboring nations not allowed to do this. Okay, In this way, we can get to see many terrorist attacks on a. Now we may learn effects of terrorism one by one. First one, terrorism feeds fear of the people. Okay. Terrorism feeds fear of the people. Terrorism spreads fear in the mind of the people. People who living in the country feels insecure due to terrorism. Okay. Then second one, terrorism target busy areas such as railway stations, airports, markets, and other places. Okay, terrorists target busy areas such as railway station, airports, markets, and other places. All these places always covered with a crowd. Okay, these places filled with more population. Okay, so the terrorist target on these places. Okay, they try to attack on all these places because in these places continuous movement of people is there. So they targeting all these places such as railway station, airports, markets, and some other places. Okay, next, terrorist target civilians of the country and military base. Okay, terrorist target civilians of the country. Civilians means a person was not working as a police officer or they were not working in the field of military. Okay, person who is not working in the field of military or police is considered as civilians. This totally common people are considered as civilians. Terrorists target civilians of the country and military base. Military base includes facility for storage of military weapons or military equipments, and also this is the place of shelter. Okay, terrorist target civilians of the country. Okay, person was not working in the field of police or military is considered as civilians, and they target military base. Okay, military base, it includes facility for storage of military weapons. Okay, and also shelter. Okay, next, terrorist target specific communities. Okay, terrorist target on specific communities. In India, we can get to see three communities: Hindu, Islam, and Christianity community. So these terrorists, they target to attack on specific communities. Okay, if their opposite community is there, they try to attack on those communities. Then they are targeting on specific language including people. Okay, then skin color, skin including people. In this way they target on specific communities. Next, terrorist use some tactics. Tactics means plants. They use some plants. Which are those? Suicide bombing. And kidnapping. Innocent people. To achieve their goal. Okay. Terrorists use some tactics or plans. Which are those plans? Suicide bombing. Yes, suicide bombing means a person who tie bomb in his body. Later, along with the people, he also ending his life. That is suicide bombing. Okay. So here, some terrorists feel dying as terrorist is sacred. Okay, so all this inspires them to engage in suicide bombing. Okay, next, kidnapping innocent people. Okay, kidnapping innocent people. Okay, later demanding money from their parents. Okay, in this way they are using this type of new tactics to achieve their goal. Okay, these are all the effects of terrorism. Clear this? Next, one more effect. Due to terrorism, millions of goods damaged, thousands of people lost their lives, and animals also killed. Okay, this is the last effect of terrorism. Okay, due to terrorist attacks, it gave chance to damage up millions of goods. Okay, next, thousands of people can lose their lives. Okay, not only this, animals also can be killed due to this. In this way, the main aim of terrorist is to create fear among the people. Okay, aim of terrorist to create fear among the people. Okay, and then work done by terrorists are pre-planned. Okay, after making proper plans, okay, they engaged in terrorist attacks. Okay, for example, how does before playing cricket you are making arrangement? No, in this way terrorists also making lot of arrangements. Okay, which place they had to attack, when they had to attack. Okay, then which building they had to attack, or parliament house, okay, where they had to attack. They are making all plans. Okay, without plan, if they attacked, they can't achieve their aim. Okay, so first they are creating fear among the people. Okay, then work done by terrorists are pre-planned. Okay, so to achieve their aim, they are using explosives, or blasting bomb. Okay, then they using deadly gases. Okay, they are releasing deadly gases in the air. Okay, in that moment they can kill many people. They are using explosives and deadly gases to aim, achieve their goal. Okay, and they are working with the own network of intelligence. Okay, they are using their intelligent capacity. Okay, here terrorists are very intelligent people. Okay, by they are getting knowledge from all sides. Okay, later they engaged in this type of activities. Okay, so they are working with the own network of intelligence. Okay, then next they are using modern gadgets. Okay, they are using modern gadgets or modern techniques. Okay, and means of transportation. Okay, they are using their activities through modern techniques and also through transportation. Okay, through aircraft. Okay, helicopters. They engaged in this type of terrorist activities. Homer, what is terrorism? What are the effects of terrorism? When was Taj Hotel in Mumbai attacked?